Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about something super important: copyright. It's all about protecting the cool stuff we create, like music, movies and pictures. Let's dive in. Imagine you drew an awesome picture or made a fun dance video. Copyright is like a magic shield that protects your creations so that no one else can use them without your permission. Cool, right? The same applies for other people. You can't use anyone else's film or images in your Dance Live performance if they have been copyrighted without their permission, and Dance Live does not hold a license for film or image. This means you can't take film or images from places like YouTube, TV shows, movies, or TikTok. There are places on the internet where you can find cool things to use without having to ask for permission. But always check if it's really free for everyone to use. You can find a list of copyright-free image and film websites in the Student Zone of the Dance Live website. Don't copy dances from places like TikTok, Instagram, Vimeo or YouTube, as these are copyrighted dances. Create your own. Mix different dance moves to make something new and unique. Your Dance Live choreography should be one of a kind. Remember, you can be inspired by someone else's dances, but you cannot make a direct copy. Luckily, Dance Live has a license for music. This means you can use your favourite songs from popular artists that appear on the radio, Spotify, or even TikTok. Just make sure they are family friendly and do not contain any explicit language. When you use songs and copyright-free images and films from websites, or are inspired by dances, it's important to write them down to remember. It's like keeping a diary of all the fun stuff you use. This allows the Dance Live team to evidence that your soundtrack and LED screen has the correct copyright permissions, should they ever be questioned by a third party. Remember, copyright is all about making sure you can use music, videos, and dances without any trouble. It encourages everyone to be creative and have fun. So go ahead, create something amazing and protect it with copyright.